So in today's video, we're going to answer the question, how much does it cost to rent a truck scale? Okay, maybe you already have a truck scale, but it needs repairs, so you're looking to rent a truck scale for a couple of months. Or maybe you have a special project taking place remotely and you need to weigh trucks for several months. In those scenarios, it could make sense to rent a truck scale. So let's look at the actual costs involved to rent a 70-foot long truck scale. The rental fees that we've seen for truck scales is usually around $3,500 to $5,000 per month. That typically includes the 70-foot long truck scale along with the digital weight indicator and a ticket printer. In most cases, there will also be a freight charge to deliver the scale. The freight can vary depending on exactly what version of scale you rent and where it is shipping from. We'll just say freight might be roughly $3,500 to $4,500. You will need a crane to offload the scale. That might be around $1,500. Then you will need to have a local scale company set up and calibrate the scale. This number can vary depending on several factors. For example, how many hours will it take to set up and calibrate the scale? How many scale technicians will it take? How far does the scale company have to travel? Of course, since this is a rental truck scale, you'll need to figure in the cost to remove the scale when you're finished using it. So you'll need the scale company to come back out and disconnect the scale. That fee will likely be similar to the fee to install the scale. You'll need the crane company to pick up the modules. That will likely be similar to the initial fee, and you'll need the freight company to ship the scale back. That cost will likely be similar to whatever it cost when the scale arrived. So as you can see, the costs can add up pretty quickly if you rent a 70-foot long truck scale for more than a few months. That's why in many scenarios we recommend purchasing a new truck scale. Thank you very much for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Please do me a favor and hit that like button below. And while you're at it, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget, we offer a great selection of scales and weighing equipment from many different scale manufacturers on our website, centralcarolinascale.com.